Good morning, Castlo. This is Daniel from Josh and Danny Seo. So we're going to take a quick look at your website, see what's going on, and see if there isn't anything we can do. So right off the bat, I love your logo over here. Try and get it more over to the left. Our services. I love that you have this as a drop-down menu. Most people do not. It really bothers me. And then obviously contact us. I would definitely put your number up here as well with it being shown and visible, just so people can see that you are a local um, area as well. So get that phone number here, have it as a click to call. But by the way, this is a great keyword, home painter in Knoxville, Tennessee. Get a quote, excellent, and then our services. So we professionally paint walls and trim. So you would definitely want to talk a little bit more about each one. Have about a paragraph or two, depending on how much is going on in there, because there is a lot that you can do. More details are great, and that brings you to, I believe, another page, which is definitely what you want to do. So setup is really good. We're just missing content, add curb appeal, and value to your home. Definitely something you would like to know. And then this is about you, safe and reliable, high quality, stuff like that. Recently completed, excellent, good pictures. Are we optimizing those pictures? Let's find that out. Actually, you are. Interesting. This is really good. I don't know why you're not ranking higher then. But this is, no, the fact that somebody went out of their way to put that in there, that's great. All right, so very little to say about it other than, maybe getting a little bit more content. Let's see, what does this guy have? I gotta know. Interesting. That's very good. I don't know if you want to put so many in the same one, but no, that's great. You have keywords in here. You might want to make them a little bit more intentional, but you are. So, nope, I'm very impressed. Add more content pretty much. But let's take a look at the back end over here, see what we got. So you don't have a lot of backlinks, and yes, you have some keywords, but not a lot. But your UR rating, which is how strong your actual link is not very good. It's 0 right now, and your TR rating, which is how much Google trusts you, is at a 0.3. You have 10 backlinks, which is going to correlate with these two over here. So the 10 backlinks, basically, you have your link to your website somewhere else, and somebody can click on it. And then the ones that come back to you are what we call referring domains. Now, not all of these are created equal. Some are more spammy than others, like BuzzFeed and Wikipedia. So you definitely want to stay away from those. But you do have 36 organic keywords, so let's take a look and see what you got going on over there. So right off the bat, your organic keywords are okay. So this one doesn't count because it's a national keyword. Anyone can search for this anywhere. Um, this is very odd. Interior painting, Knoxville, Tennessee. You're in. There's a 50 people searching for it, but you're not getting any volume. Oh yeah, that's why. Because you're on the second and third page for everything. All of this looks new. So I'm going to assume that you found somebody within the last couple of, I don't know, weeks or months to help you out with this stuff. Maybe, around September time or something. But you have good keyword, okay, sort of good keywords. Paint Knoxville is not really the greatest, even though it is specific. Painters in Knoxville, Tennessee is good, but only 10 people search for it. Painters Knoxville, Tennessee. This is a great keyword over here because 350 people are searching for it. You're not getting any traffic because you are on page number 3, close to 4. So let's take a look at Painters Knoxville, Tennessee, see what's coming up. So right off the bat, we got some ads up here, which is going to be, for people who are, they just want, quick results and stuff like that. It's going to cost a bit of money, but it's definitely worth it sometimes. And then we got our GMB profile. So you can, obviously pay to be up here as well. But right now we got McLain Painting, Obregon Painting. Those are your top competitors in this spot. Now, 30 to 40% of all people searching for anything will click on one of these 3 guys. So it's very important to get in there because that's a lot of potential traffic. Now, you do have your organic traffic here. Anyone can rank as long as you're doing the correct thing. So you got Yelp, and then you got McLain's Painting. They're number 1. So let's take a look at what they've got going on and find out what they're doing more than you. So all that's really happening, they got their name over here, which is great, and their logo, and then they have everything in linear order over here. The only thing I disagree with is this top area. These should be on the bottom, and these are click to call, yes, but they should be over here more or less. And then, free quotes, view all services. So they do talk a little bit about who they are and what they do. They do have pictures in here. I think your setup is a little bit better and cleaner. Paint It Forward is just like a, people like when they see volunteer stuff. It just makes them want to help other people as well. And then obviously here from our clients, time and place for everything. I noticed you did not have it on your website over there as well. And then get a free quote, view our work. So what are they doing? Because you have a cleaner website than they do. So what are you doing? What are they doing to beat you out? So they have a much higher UR rating, right? So and DR rating. They also have a lot more backlinks than you do. So their UR rating is 28. and then their DR rating is 19. So Google trusts them quite a bit. They have 785 backlinks, 10% of them are referring domains, and they're probably pretty strong because, again, their DR rating is 19. Now, they do have some organic keywords. I think they have 588 and then 365 recurring traffic, but they also do have a blog on their website, so that's going to add a lot of clutter to keywords. You don't want clutter. You want very strong specific keywords that, are service specific and then location specific. Like Painters Knoxville, Tennessee, 350 search for it. He's getting 38 of them because he's on position number 3. McLain's Painting, those are fine, but they're national keywords, so there's no point in really going for them. Painters Knoxville, 250, 33 of them come to him. He's on position 2. So as you can see, it's very important to use proper keywords so that you can start getting actual traffic, but then positioning is very important. So how does this help you guys out? All this means is that we got to get you more backlinks, right? Take them over from the other gentleman, McLain Painting. Use the good ones that he has as far as referring domains. Start ranking yourself higher for that. Get content, a little bit more content on your homepage. You got the right idea for keywords. Add more if you need to, and start ranking for those. But about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your front page alone is typically what you're going to want to go for in order to start ranking as well. Content is key. That's all I really got. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out. If you have any uh, feedback for me, I would definitely love to know. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.